I'm Michael Lindo. I'm the Exhibits and Facility Director here at WonderLab.
I'm Karen Jepson-Innes, and I'm the Executive Director. We're welcoming you to Meanwhile Behind the Scenes at WonderLab. So this is to acknowledge the opening of a great new exhibit called the Giant Flowing Bubble. It's actually not a brand new exhibit, it's a redesign and rebuild of one of our most beloved exhibits.
Well, come on back and check out the progress as we continue on with the build on the Giant Flowing Bubble version 2.
Well, the Giant Flowing Bubble was actually one of the exhibits that we opened with when we very first opened WonderLab in 2003. The idea for that exhibit, which was created specifically for WonderLab, no other museum in the country had an exhibit like this, came from a program we did long, long ago called Bubble Fest. We had kind of a made-up version of it that was translated into this great exhibit. Over the years, over the past, 15 years, the exhibit was basically loved to death. And it just, we had to take it off the floor and decommission it just because it reached the end of its useful life after 15 years.
The second step in building this exhibit was trying to determine the proper power supply for the motor that's going to pump the fluid up to the top of the exhibit. One of the tools that I'm using for the process of determining this is our electronic voltmeter here, multimeter as a matter of fact, and I can determine the voltages necessary to make the pump run the way I need it to run. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check back for next week's episode of Meanwhile Behind the Scenes at WonderLab, the Giant Flowing Bubble version.
If you have any questions about the exhibit or our process in making it, you can just put your questions in the little box below. Bye for now.
See ya.
So in preparation for this new exhibit coming out into the gallery, I don't know what I'm going to say next. Can we take a break there? So do we have to start at the very beginning again?
Because we would like to have it all in one.
Okay, so
thanks for watching. Be sure to come back for next week's The WonderLab. So, right. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching.